The Galaxy S24 Ultra is equipped with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip and will be available worldwide, as I'm sure you've already heard. In the next few days, Qualcomm is expected to make its major announcement, but a leaked document has already revealed what they're bringing to the S24 Ultra, and it's absolutely incredible. With the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 CPU, Qualcomm is taking generative AI to a new level. Google demonstrated generative AI as the upcoming big thing in the smartphone industry. Let's start with the object eraser. Many people don't know this, but it's Samsung who first came up with the idea of removing unwanted objects from photos. It's just that Google marketed this thing better for the Pixel phones. But with the S24 Ultra, Samsung and Qualcomm are taking this feature to the next level by enabling the object eraser to remove unwanted objects from videos as well. You heard that right. Now, you can remove unwanted people or objects or anything you don't desire from your video recording, which is incredible. Next, you'll be able to capture videos with custom backdrops using the S24 Ultra. This phone can create any background you want using some clever generative AI magic. Without the trouble of a real green screen, it's like having your own little green screen. It's really neat. Next, using photo expansion, you can essentially use AI to expand specific portions of a photo. Similar to what Google demonstrated with the Pixel 8, this is. Speaking of Google, they also demonstrated the night mode for films, which works very similarly to the night mode for images. In essence, it captures excellent videos in dim lighting. In essence, it uses long exposure techniques to produce precise videos in difficult lighting conditions. And guess what? Qualcomm is bringing this same feature to the 8 Gen 3 chip and the S24 Ultra. All of this cool stuff is happening thanks to the magic of generative AI. What's cool is that the chip is packing a bunch of AI models, both Qualcomm's own Stable Diffusion and Meta's Llama 2. The document reveals that AI is a whopping 98% faster than last year and a massive 40% more efficient. Qualcomm's even bragging that their AI is the fastest in the world, beating Google's. So, in a nutshell, this new chip is all about going big on generative AI, and that's awesome because it's where the next big smartphone revolution is headed. By the way, it's not just about AI. Qualcomm's got some more cool stuff in the works for the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. They're cranking up the CPU speed by 30% and amping up the GPU by 25%. The efficiency improvements are 20% for CPU and 25% for GPU. Do note that this is for the regular 8 Gen 3. Samsung will use the custom 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy, and it's even more beefed up than this one. It's interesting to note that Qualcomm refers to their visuals as console-defying and claims that their new Unreal Engine can upscale game cutscenes to an incredible 8K quality. You know, we're sure to learn a ton more details and features when Qualcomm finally unveils the processor in a few days. However, for the time being, it appears that the Galaxy S24 Ultra with the 8 Gen 3 chip is going to be a significant upgrade because of its amazing generative AI. Let us know what you think in the comments below. What do you think of the S24 Ultra's processor? With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.